After weeks of discussion, Iowa Governor Kim Reynolds this afternoon appointing the newest member of the Iowa Supreme Court. And her selection comes from Western Iowa. That's new at 5. Reynolds announcing Republican Susan Christensen will replace Justice Bruce Zager. Christensen currently serves as a district judge in Iowa's 4th district. That's in Harlan. The 56-year-old Christensen and 2 other women were finalists for that open seat. Christensen becomes the High Court's only woman justice at this time. Iowa had been the only state in the nation, in fact, without a woman currently serving on its Supreme Court. She took time today to thank her family and especially her husband, who she says never let her quit on her dream.
Several years ago, I told him I think I want to be a judge, and it did not happen right away. And I tried many times, and one of these days I'll add up that number, and I might just put it in a picture frame on my wall. But he would not let me quit. It would have been easier to stop sometimes. He would not let me quit. If it were not for him, I know I would not be standing here today.
Kellyanne Lecker and Terry Combs were the other 2 finalists. Lecker is an attorney in West Des Moines. Combs is a district court judge out of Waterloo. Now, Christensen will replace Zager in September. That's when he's set to retire. So how does this appointment process work in Iowa? There are 7 justices on the Iowa Supreme Court. They are appointed by the governor, and you have to be a licensed attorney in order to be considered. Justices serve an initial 1-year term after they're appointed. Then, in order to stay on the bench, they must win in the next judicial retention election. A justice must retire from the Supreme Court when they turn 72 years old. Otherwise, that term lasts for 8 years.